The Ka-52 Alligator is the backbone of Russia's army aviation, a $16 million attack helicopter designed for high-intensity conflict, reconnaissance, and tank hunting. Its most striking feature is the coaxial rotor system. By using two counter-rotating main rotors, the Kamov design eliminates the need for a tail rotor. This gives the Alligator unmatched maneuverability, allowing it to perform flat turns and maintain a stable firing platform even in heavy crosswinds. For protection, the crew sits side by side in a fully armored cockpit, capable of withstanding 23 rounds. If things go south, it is the only helicopter in the world equipped with a K-37-800M ejection system. Explosive bolts jettison the rotors before rockets pull the pilots to safety. In the skies over Ukraine, the Ka-52 has faced its toughest test. Equipped with the Vitebsk L-370 electronic warfare suite, it was built to stay out of reach. Yet the invincible Alligator has proven vulnerable to modern, low-cost tactics. Recently, near Pokrovsk, Ukrainian operators achieved another historic victory. This wasn't the first time an FPV drone took down an Alligator, following the world's first successful intercept in August 2024. But this engagement showed how lethal these tactics have become. Operators from the 59th Brigade used a fiber-optic FPV drone to hunt down the Ka-52 mid-flight. The drone, immune to Russian electronic jamming, struck the helicopter's weapon pylon, detonating the missiles on board. The elite machine was forced into an emergency landing and subsequently destroyed. This is the new reality of war. A $500 drone ending the reign of one of the world's most advanced attack helicopters. Now, let's get into the details of the engagement itself. In the footage, we can see the Ukrainian drone attempting to intercept the lead helicopter, but it narrowly misses its window. Drawing on combat experience, the operator knew that a wingman, the second helicopter, would be following close behind. Seconds later, he spotted the trailing Ka-52 and successfully maneuvered the drone into the rocket pod area. The impact immediately sparked a fire. The crew managed to perform an emergency landing and evacuate the airframe. Throughout this operation, additional drones were conducting reconnaissance, transmitting real-time data to confirm the strikes and assess the results on the ground. Perhaps they would have had a better chance of survival if they hadn't stayed so close together. But the outcome was already decided. The first follow-up drone neutralized one crew member, and a second drone neutralized the other shortly after. It was a textbook example of coordinated drone warfare. As a helicopter pilot myself, I can state that FPV drones have become a greater threat to rotorcraft than even fighter jets or MANPADS. Despite this, both sides continue to push their machines to the limit to complete combat missions. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert insights.